today we are going to discuss about the topic Introduction to R Programming, which is the first lecture in Applied Statistical Computing and Graphics. In this presentation, we will learn what R programming is and why it is used, how to install it, and how to execute commands in R. The course outcome is to understand and apply various data analysis techniques using OR. By the end of this unit, you will be able to perform statistical computing, create graphical visualizations, and derive meaningful conclusions from data. OR is both a programming language and an environment for statistical computing and graphics. It is based on the S programming language developed at Bell Laboratories. One of the major advantages of R programming is that it is a free and open source software. Unlike commercial statistical software such as S Plus, today R is widely used in data science, machine learning, research, and business analytics. The OR environment provides several powerful features. It supports efficient data storage and handling, mathematical calculations, statistical analysis, graphical visualizations, and programming. Another important feature is that we can extend OR by installing additional packages or libraries according to our project requirements. OR is widely preferred because it is free, easy to install, and supported by a large community. It also provides advanced statistical algorithms that may not be available in other software organizations. Researchers and educational institutions use OR because it reduces software cost while providing powerful analytical capabilities. To install or visit the official CRAN website, select your operating system such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Download the latest version of R and save the installer. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Before installation, close all running programs, double click the downloaded installer and follow the installation wizard or is automatically create shortcuts in the start menu and on the desktop. The installation process usually takes only a few minutes. One of the strengths of R is its extensive documentation. R provides built-in help commands and many packages for different applications. Important packages can be installed whenever additional functionality is required. These packages make R suitable for statistical analysis, machine learning, visualization, and many other domains. Installing survey libraries. Additional libraries can be downloaded as zip files and installed locally. After downloading the required packages, simply choose the install package option in R and select the zip file. Once installed, the library becomes available for use in future projects. Creating an OR project. For every new analysis, it is recommended to create a separate project folder. Keep the original data files aside inside a dedicated folder and avoid modifying them. Set the project directory in OR before starting your work. Saving the workspace allows you to continue the project later without losing your progress. Executing commands in R. There are three common ways to execute commands in R. First, directly type commands in the console. Second, use the R script editor to write and save programs. Third, use an external text editor and copy the commands into the R console. Using scripts is recommended because they can be saved, reused, modified, and help reduce errors. To summarize today's presentation, we learned what is R is, we explored the features of the R environment, we discussed why R is widely used, we understood the installation process, finally we learned how to organize projects and execute commands in R. R is an essential tool for statistical computing, data analysis and visualization. Thank you.